Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Bro Industries Motorsports. My name is Travis. Today we're going to be doing one of the last videos on this Can-Am here. As you can see, it's pretty much complete. I don't think I ever made a video of this bumper, but I did make this bumper about a month back. It was right before we reinforced the doors. Let's give you a quick little walk around here. It's got some new wheels and tires. Got the seats in it now. It's got the GPS in it now. Window nets are in it now. Number plates. The breathers. Here you guys can see a good look on how the radiator's done now that it's all plumbed up. Got a spare belt on there, fire extinguisher on there. The reservoir bottle up in there. GPS. Plexiglass on the windows there. So today what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be gusseting these top corners. All four corners, there, and there. So it's one of the last things on the rule book that I think we got to do. So we're gonna do that now, and I'm gonna show you guys the process. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, these are the gussets we're gonna be doing. First thing we gotta do is prep the area. So I'm gonna get all these wires out of the way, and these are actually gonna go down in here. So I'm gonna clean them up. This one's gonna go under the Zeus tab there. So I'm gonna get the wires out of the way. I'm gonna clean off the powder coat off the bars there, get the area prepped, clean up the tabs a little bit, and then we'll get them welded in. All right, so now I got her tarped up here. I'm gonna show you guys, I got the notches cut out. See there, how it's got the tab there and it'll go right around it. I always hit the corner a little bit because it welds from the other bars. And then this one has this tab in the way. So we just had to shorten it up a little bit there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the cage cleaned off and we'll get them welded in. All right, so now we got the areas prepped here. Show you guys. Gusset going in there. And the gusset going in there. So let's go ahead and get them welded in. All right, guys. So here we go. Got it all done. Climb up here and we'll show you. So I got that one in there. That one in there. See if I can reach across. That one up there. That one up there. So there we go. That should be the last thing for tack. Should be good to go. Alright, so that's gonna be a wrap. Thanks again for watching, guys. We're gonna get all this touched up, painted, get the roof back on. Maybe we'll get you some pictures. And that's gonna be it. That's a wrap. Thanks again for watching. Give you one last little walk around here. Guess I should take the welding blanket out of there.